Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign activities to team members in Pipedrive in just 3 minutes, so you can keep your workflow smooth and your team aligned. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Activities. This is your central hub for all scheduled tasks, including calls, meetings, and follow-ups. Depending on your view, you'll see these activities in either a list or calendar format. This is where you manage everything without leaving your workflow. Next, find the activity you want to assign or reassign. Click directly on it to open the activity details. Here, you'll see key information like the activity type, subject, due date, and any linked contact or deal. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct activity to avoid confusion later. Once you're inside the activity details, look for the Assign To field. This is usually located near the top, alongside the due date and activity type. This field determines who is responsible for completing the task. Now, click on the drop-down in the Assign To field. You'll see a list of team members in your Pipedrive account. You can scroll through the list or simply start typing a name to find the right person quickly. Select the team member you want to assign the activity to. As soon as you select a name, the activity is reassigned instantly. The new owner will now see this activity in their list and may receive a notification depending on their settings. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly review the due date and activity details to make sure everything still makes sense for the new assignee. And that's it. You've successfully assigned an activity to a team member in Pipedrive. Quick recap. Go to Activities, open the activity, find the Assign To field, and select the right teammate. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.